Hi everybody. Today we're gonna make some oval pills for you, and it should be oval. So we're gonna put first your short punch into the base. Then we're gonna put the round eye. We're gonna make a blue color pill, and I'm using not just compression binder. So we're gonna put the upper punch on top, and we're gonna wiggle it to pack it. This is the extension to go on top of that, makes it easy to hit it with a hammer. First tap it slowly, then we go 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then we turn this 180 degrees like this to make sure the pressure is equal. 1, 2, 3. Now we take it out. We hit it into the pill catcher. And we get a nice looking pill. And it's hard, nice and shiny. Will bounce back. Now we're gonna make another one. Now we're gonna make a round one. Now we're gonna use a heart. It's round, and that's the called that's steel. Now we're gonna put some blue or white. Let's switch it to white. Again, we're gonna pack it in slowly first. Tap it. Then we'll go 1, 2, 3. We turn it around 180 degrees. 1, 2, 3. Now we take it out. Go to the pill catcher. And it gives us a very nice looking pill. Shiny, and see the back of it. And it's the heart. It's hard, will bounce back. Now we're gonna make another one. We're gonna use a different style. We have those, what they call the adjustable ones. So we're gonna use, this base has an adjustable, so you could make the thickness up or down. You could go thicker or thinner. So we're gonna use it now, the way it is. And that's the monkey, by the way. We're gonna use white. Put the upper punch on. 1, 2, 3. Gonna take it out. And voila. Now we got a nice looking monkey. See the monkey face? See how nice and shiny? Now we'll bounce back. Okay. Now we're gonna make another one we're gonna change the die, the punch. We're gonna put something with a pistol in it. Now we're gonna adjust this one to make it a thinner. It depends how much you put in there. If you put less ingredient, of course it's gonna come out thinner. The more ingredient you put in there, it's gonna come out thicker. 1, 2, 3. That's the pistol image. Nice and shiny. That's all today, folks. Good luck.